kei te airia hau.
Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōko ingoa. I'm Sharon Holt, the author of Te Reo Singalong books, and I've got another game idea. So this one is around vehicles, colours and a little bit of numbers as well, mainly based on the ideas from Me Haere, our Te Reo Singalong book about vehicles and colours, and there's some pictures that you could use for making your own game. And there's also a little bit from our emergency vehicles book, with those pictures there. But what I've used for my pictures, because there were a lot of choices, is the one from our picture dictionary. So that's the vehicles page, and there's a lot of choices there. So this one, you need to make 5 dice, and how to just make dice with colours is just to put colourful stickers on the different sides, and you can just use whatever colours you are wanting to teach. So I've got red, whero, karaka, orange, kikorangi, or you can say kahurangi for blue, mawhero for pink, kōwhai for yellow, and kakariki for green. So each dice is the same, and then matching those, I've got each vehicle, and I've got a lot of choices here, but for example, this is just the ones for wakarererangi, for a plane, has got its own colour card to match the dice, and you'll see why in a minute. So this is the wakarererangi kōwhai, etc. So these match the colours on the dice. They have to match the colour on the dice. So as I'm choosing to play with the wakarererangi, so my counter, which stays here to remind me which line I'm on, is there, and my playing partner is going to practice with the motopaika, and so these are their colour cards over here. So they've got the same colours on the dice as well, so I'll put their colours down here, and I'll put mine here, just to remind me which colours I've got when the dice rolls. Okay, you'll be able to see some of those anyway. So with the game, I'm wakarererangi and my partner is motopaika. So I'm going to roll the 5 dice, and I'm going to see which I've got the most of. So I've got the most of kikorangi. I've got 2 of those. I'm going to have 3 rolls, and I'm looking to get some more kikorangi. 3rd roll, oh, that was lucky. So I got 4 whā. You could use Māori language there as well, and so I'm going to put my blue plane, my wakarererangi kikorangi, because I rolled blue, under the number 4, whā. Now, the motopaika person is rolling now, and they've got 3 of these red ones, whero. So that was a good start. Looking for a bit more red on their 3rd roll. Okay, so they got 4 as well. So they need to get their red motorbike matching the red dice, and they're going to put their one there, because it's that's their line and this is my line, and it depends which number we got. We'll do another roll. I'm having a turn now, and I'm looking like, let's go with that kōwhai colour. Didn't get any more there. No. So for my one, I rolled 2. So I choose the kōwhai, put it under the number 2, and then let's see what the motopaika gets. Okay, so 3 blues. So they have got the blue. They haven't rolled that one yet. Let's see if they can get any more. No, they just got 3. Okay, so that one's there, and that goes here. So you would everyone would keep having their turns until they've used all these ones up. So let's say I've got pink at the end. Then if I only roll 1, then I just put it there, and if I maybe even roll 0, because I might not get any pink. When you've got all of them laid out, and you could have more people playing, this is just with 2 people playing. For another person, you just put whatever vehicle they're going. For example, they might be the paihikara. I've got 12 different options of vehicles here, but I've got just 6 playing places, and so however many people are playing, they're putting their ones across there, and then at the end, adding them up. So as it is at the moment, we would be adding 2 and 4 is 6. And then that might be a bit hard for younger children at early childhood centres, but a teacher could help them with the end bit, with the adding up, especially if they've got all these numbers as well. And this person's got 3 and 4 is 7. So if you're competing, then that person's obviously won. But it just depends how many they've got when they've got all of their vehicles across there. So at the end I might have that one there and this one here and this one here, and I might have this one here. We might have two there, so I'd be adding up that line, and this person might have rolled really well on that one, and then they might have a 0, so they're adding up that line. You could make up your own versions, and for little children you could make it a little bit easier for them, and I think it would be a really good way to just begin to add more Māori language, more vehicle names, more colours in Te Reo Māori, and more numbers in a fun and enjoyable way. Ka kite.
Kei te airi a hau, marunga pahi, ko whai.